Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS and these are the deals from March 8th to March 14th. So there's a lot going on at CVS this week and I'm going to concentrate only today on the spend 100 get $20 off on beauty products. That's the only video I'm going to bring for you guys because there's just a lot going on and I don't want you guys to get confused. And also I'm going to show you guys what coupons you can use with that. So I already printed out my spend 20 right here. Get a spend 100 get $20 off, and then I printed out the $3 off of Almay that we're all receiving today. It's an instant coupon. Now, since I have this spend 100 get $20 off, there's certain deals that I don't want to do on there. Like I do have some shampoo scenarios on there and a couple of other items. Now, as far as like the Eucerin deal, I have a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT. And remember guys, you can only use non-threshold CRTs with the spend 100 get $20 off. So you cannot use a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT. Now I have some really great CRTs for Eucerin, so I know that's a deal I'm not going to add to this because with the CRTs I already have, it's going to be free. So if you're getting something that's free or a moneymaker, I suggest you don't add it to this because you're going to get $20 off. Yes, it's easier to bring up the purchase to $100 with those freebies, but we want to double dip and get those freebies on both ends. So for the spend 100 get $20 off, I'm going to concentrate on deals that are not money makers this week according to the CRTs that I do have. So I have a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. I know that's something I can't add to that, but we do have a great deal on Maybelline this week, so I know I'm not going to add Maybelline to this. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. That'll be other beauty deals that are using threshold CRTs, not included in the spend 100 get $20 off. So I'm going to show you the best deals to use for this coupon right here. And then tomorrow I'll bring you guys a couple of more breakdowns with CRTs that I already have or already got that's going to make those deals a moneymaker. So let's jump into CVS and see what deals we find. Herbal Essence Bio-Renew is on sale this week, 2 for $10. And Head & Shoulders is on sale, 2 for $12. So you're going to pick up 2 of the Herbal Essence Bio-Renew and 2 of the Head & Shoulders because they're on a promotion for spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. So we're going to use a 5 off of 2 coupon for the Herbal Essence Bio-Renew and a $3 off 2 coupon for the Head & Shoulders in our digital coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. The total works out to $14, but you get back $5 in extra bucks. So it's going to be $9 for all products or $2.25 each. Garnier Face Care is on a promotion this week for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Moisture Rescues for $9.49. And you're going to pick up one of the Mercilla Wipes for $7.59. So the total before coupons is going to be $17.08. You're going to use a $3 off for moisturizers in our 1-3 RMN and a $2 off for cleansers in our 1-3 RMN. I have a $3 off Mercilla Product CRT as well as a $2 off Mercilla Product CRT. So the total works out to $7.08, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $2.08 for both of them or $1.04 each. Not Your Mother's Dry Shampoo is on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. And they're also buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you're going to pick up one of them for $3.69. You're going to pick up one of them half off at $1.84. The total works out to $5.53, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it works out to $2.53 for both of them or $1.26 each. L'Oreal Skincare is on a promotion this week for spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Cell Renewals for $26.79. And you're going to pick up one of the Ideal Clean Wipes for $4.29. So the total before coupons is going to be $31.08. You're going to use a $4 off 1 coupon for the Cell Renewal product in our 3-1 RMN. And you're going to use a $2 off any skincare product in our 3-1 RMN. I have a $6 off any Age Perfect product CRT. So the total works out to $19.08, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to $9.08 for both of them or $4.54 each. Milani Cosmetics are on a promotion this week for buy 3, get a $10 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 3 of the lip liners for $4.69 each, making them $14.07. So that'll be the total to pay, but you get back $10 in extra bucks. So it works out to be $4.07 for all products or $1.35 each. Almay Cosmetics are on a promotion this week for spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the new blushes for $11.99. You're going to use a $3 off coupon that came in today's inserts in our 3/8 Smart Source. And you're also going to use a $3 instant coupon that's printing out for all of us at the Red Box Coupon Center. And you guys have until the 14th to print that out. The total works out to $5.99, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So it works out to $1.99 after extra bucks. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS and this is everything that I picked up for the spend 100, get $20 off on beauty products. So again, that is printing out at the Red Box Coupon Center. So make sure you scan your card at the Red Box before you go shopping. Now everything turned out super well. It was only a $1 moneymaker. Reason why is that there were certain items I didn't want to add to the spend 100, get $20 off because I had some really great CRTs. So for example, the Eucerin deal I didn't add to this because I had a 3 off of 15 lotion CRT and a 2 off of 10 lotion CRT. So I didn't add it to this transaction because that was already going to be a moneymaker. Another deal like the Maybelline deal, that was going to be free plus a moneymaker. So this is everything I got for my spend 100, get $20 off. Again, that's printing out of the Red Box Coupon Center. So this is everything I got right here. Right? And it's $100 before coupons. So remember, it's before coupons. You cannot use any threshold coupons with this spend 100, get $20 off. So for example, let me give you an example of a threshold coupon. Okay, for instance, like a 10 off of 30 right here, that is a threshold coupon because it's giving us a threshold of $30 you have to spend on Nexus. So this is something you cannot use with that spend 100, get $3 off. Now a non-threshold CRT is going to be this one right here. $3 off teeth whitening. So if you have $3 off something, you can definitely use a coupon like that or whatever the amount is, but make sure it doesn't have a threshold. So those you can use with the spend 100, get $20 off. Okay, so I picked up the Head and Shoulders on sale 2 for $12. So I picked up those 2 right here. And I picked up the Herbal Essence Bio Renew 2 for $10. So I picked up these 2 right here. And they're on a promotion this week for spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. I picked up the Not Your Mother's Dry Shampoo. They're on a promotion for buy 1, get 1 50% off. And when you buy 2 this week, you get a $3 extra buck. So I picked up these 2 right here. So one of them was priced at $3.69. Another one was priced at $1.84. Next item I picked up is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Cell Renewal for $26.79. So that's going to be that one right there. And I picked up the L'Oreal Ideal Wipes for $4.29. And they're on a promotion, the L'Oreal Face Care for spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. I picked up the Milani Lip Liners for $4.69 each. So I picked up these 3 right here. And Milani is on a great promotion this week. When you buy 3, you get a $10 extra buck. I picked up the Almay blush. Almay this week is spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. So I picked up the Almay blush for $11.99. So it's going to be this one right here. And the last items I picked up was the Garnier Moisture Rescue. So it's going to be that one right there. Priced at $9.49. And I picked up the Garnier Clean Wipes for $7.59. It's actually the Garnier Micellar Wipes. So this one right here. And I can't say that, Micellar Wipes. Okay. For $7.59. And they're on a promotion, the Garnier face products for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. So the total before coupons for all products is going to be $101.75. So we met the threshold of $100 we needed to spend in order to get the $20 off. And remember, $100 before any coupons. Okay, so I had a 5 off of 2 Herbal Essence digital coupon, a 3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders digital coupon, a $4 off L'Oreal Cell Renewal from our 3-1 RMN. And that one finally scanned with no issues. So I did change the product from last week. Last week I picked up the pink one and it didn't work, that $4. But the Cell Renewal is included in that coupon and it scanned with no issues this week. I had a $2 off L'Oreal Skincare from our 3-1 RMN. A $3 off Almay face product from our 3-8 RMN. A $3 off Garnier moisturizers from our 3-1 RMN. A $2 off Garnier cleansing, and the wipes is included in that, in our 3-1 RMN. As far as CRTs, I had a $6 off L'Oreal Age Perfect CRT. I had a $3 off Garnier Micellar Wipes CRT. I had a $3 off Almay Instant Coupon that's printing out for all of us this week at the Redbox Coupon Center. And you have until the 14th to print that out. I had a $2 off Garnier Micellar Wipes CRT. It only took off $1.19. I have no idea as to why. But it was supposed to be $2 off. It only took off $1.19. And then there goes the $20 for the spend 100, get $20 instant coupon that's printing for all of us. And again, it's on beauty products. So the total after coupons, after all the coupons, is going to be $46.56. I rolled $45 in extra bucks to pay for this, making my total $1.56. But you're going to get back $37 in extra bucks. So you get $5 for the Herbal Essence and the Head & Shoulders. You get back $3 for the Not Your Mother's Dry Shampoo. You get back $10 for the L'Oreal products. You get back $10 for the Milani products, $4 for the Almay, and $5 for the Garnier facial care. So that's a total of $37 in extra bucks back. I needed $25.51 to hit beauty. I have $101.75 worth of beauty items. So everything you see here is going to count towards beauty. So I will get back a $9 beauty buck within 48 hours. So by Tuesday, I should have those $9 in beauty bucks, making it free and a $1 moneymaker. So reason why I wanted to use my spend 100, get the $20 off on items like this, because these are items that we rarely get at CVS as a good deal when we have certain CRTs. So for instance, the Garnier Skin Active, we usually don't get that, and it's usually on sale, but sometimes we get a facial care CRT, sometimes we don't. And as well as the L'Oreal. Like I got this last week because it was a really good deal, but the deal doesn't come as often. And then this one right here, the spend 20, get 5, we usually get it. If you have a great CRT for shampoo and conditioner, you can definitely do the deal. But I only had a 3 off of 15, and I decided to get some free items plus a moneymaker using my 3 off of 15 shampoo CRT. So I wanted to use all of my CRTs that I usually get every week so I could continue getting them every single week. So I wasn't going to bypass my 3 off of 15 shampoo that I got actually last week that I wanted to use this week. So I wasn't going to let that expire, and I did it on another deal. As well as my lotion CRTs, I wanted to use it on the Eucerin because I didn't want it to go to waste. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Hopefully this scenario helps you guys out. Let me know if you did the spend 100, get $20 off. What was your experience? What did you guys pick up? And I'm going to show you my receipt. Then I'm going to end this video. So here goes my receipt. And my tax was super, super high because I get taxed before coupon. Okay, so there goes the Head & Shoulders on sale, 2 for $12. There goes the Herbal Essence Bio Renew, 2 for $10. There goes the Not Your Mother products. So one was $3.69. One came out to $1.84, half off. There goes the L'Oreal for $4.29. That's going to be the wipes. Here goes the Milani products. They were priced at $4.69 each. There goes the Garnier wipes for $7.59. There goes the Garnier Rescue, Moisture Rescue for $9.49. There goes the Almay for $11.99, the blush. And then there goes the L'Oreal for $26.79, and that's going to be the Age Perfect Cell Renewal. There goes my manufacturer coupons right here. And there goes the coupons that came off of my app. So I had the Herbal Essence for $5 off 2, and the Head & Shoulders for $3 off 2. There goes my CRTs right here. There goes that $20 off instant coupon off of $100. My CRTs, and as you see here, the $2 off for the Garnier wipes, it only took off $1.19. It was supposed to be $2 off, so I don't know what happened there. These are all the extra bucks I rolled into it, which was $45. My subtotal was $1.56. I had a tax of $7.13. So my total was $8.69. That's really high because of the tax. Then I got back a $5 extra buck for the Garnier face care, a $10 extra buck for the L'Oreal face care, a $4 extra buck for the Almay, a $5 extra buck for the Herbal Essence and Head and Shoulders, a $10 extra buck for the Milani Cosmetics, and then I got back a $3 for the Not Your Mother's, but I rolled it into my second transaction. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video for the second transaction. That one is going to be super good. I just wanted to mention that the Suave deal is a really good deal because they're 2 for $4. And when you buy 2 this week, you get a $2 extra buck. We have a $1 off 2 coupon, I believe, in our 223 RMN. And that coupon expires today. So I did the deal today, and I will mention it in the video tomorrow. But I wanted you guys to take advantage of that deal because it's a Sunday only deal. Again, because the manufacturer coupon expires today. So there's a 1 off of 2. And if you have a CRT for it, definitely put it into that deal because it's a super hot deal. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.